Excuse me? Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Great. My name is Gene Black, and I'm a street photographer. And I'm taking pictures for some random strangers on the streets. I mean, good-looking strangers. And you look really amazing. And if you don't mind, I could take a picture for you. It's like for free and just right here. That's it. I can show you my pictures and you will tell me yes or no, okay?
And what you're doing with this?
I'm making a short TikTok videos when I'm just asking strangers for some pictures. That's it. I can show you. So I can show you, okay?
What's that? Only for her. You know,
Only for her?
I'm not in
Wow.
the deal. Because I'm almost 50. Give me a
Wow,
break.
50? Really? You look much younger. Okay.